An explosion in the Rojas Night Market rocked Davao City last year. The perpetrators, the same group behind the siege in Marawi. Today, this memorial stands to remember the 14 lives lost in the tragedy. Rizaldi was manning his store just steps away from the blast when the homemade bomb exploded. As far as he's concerned, security officials back then were somewhat lax.
Maya-maya, may mga bagong muka. Hindi ko mga manong, parang ano to ba, medyo, I think, magkaiba sa Islam, something like that. Sabi ko nga, medyo may lapse siguro, ever maluwang. Kasi hindi natin malaman kung ano man yung mga kainatnan ba. Kumbaga ang naano ko lang is, medyo kulang talaga, parang gano'n.
Davao City is no stranger to terror attacks. 7 hit the Duterte bailiwick since the 1980s. 2 of them happened at the San Pedro Cathedral. Anita and Conchita were selling candles at the church when a bomb exploded here in 1981, killing 17 churchgoers, injuring over 100.
Napagputok sa loob ng simbahan. Pagputok sa loob ng simbahan, kami, ganang-ganon kami. Siya man to, putok naman to, mura man to, bombing to. Wag di masayop, bombing dito, wag di binanagan dito kay mahadlok man sa mga simba ko lang nga napay segunda maapil me. Diri lang mi, naglilingkod lang mi, hadlok mi, nagpasalipon mi itong mga, bisa to kay basin niya, mukuan ba, papiksan ba, unsay man na. Wala lang mi. Pagkahuman na to ma'am, nabalitaan na mo nga ang among kauban, si Tomas, namatay.
Seeing an attack firsthand gives them a different perspective on the fight against terrorism. Terror threats become more real because their own eyes have seen how an attack affects a community. Coming from a place where security is always a top concern, martial law is something they're willing to give a shot.
Ang mga akyat gang sabi nila, wala akong supak yan ma'am.
Huwag ka nang dagan sundalo, kaya makabantay, linaw ba, linaw? Ang kasabot kag linaw?
Mapanton ang mga salbahe kayo. Salbahe, panton.
Linaw kaya ang pamuyo ba sa mga tao, diri mga murag, hayahay kay pamuyo ganis mga tao nga, ay salamat kayo, Marcial Luron, ang uban.
Ay gani kay gibalik ang Marcial Lumang.
Kaya si Presidente pa si si Marcos na, di ba? Marcial Lumang gyapon, ubaw mo to. Maugyapon ang patakaran ni Presidente Naturon.
For now, security in Davao City is heightened with martial law in effect. Witnesses to previous attacks only hope they're enough. From Davao City, Ina Andolong, CNN Philippines.